Hi everyone, and welcome. My name is Domenico Romanelli, and I am Product Manager for LED Retrofit Off-Road at OSRAM. Today, we are in Arbrechtingen at our application lab, and we will talk about LED retrofit. But first, why change from traditional halogen bulb to LED retrofit? Because of its 6000 Kelvin light color temperatures. And then your car will be more stylish, and even better, you will see with a better beam pattern, better your environment. Let's talk about our first family, the LEDriving HL Easy. As you can see, this bulb has the same geometry of halogen bulbs. Therefore, we call it easy. It's easy to install. It's just plug and play. We have smart rings, therefore with one bulb you can install on H7, H18 headlights, one for H4, H19, and one for H15. So, and also because of 90 degrees rotation, you can rotate the bulbs into your headlights in case you have projectors headlights. Therefore, choose OSRAM, choose quality, choose LEDriving HL Easy.